Hey everyone, always good to have you back. I hope you're all doing well, and this time I have decided to create a simple function that would enhance the size of picture elements so that the image would be easier to see once displayed. Now, there is a mapresize function implemented in Matlab. However, this function requires a raster reference object, and we simply want to throw in the map with zooming in and get the big map back. Plus, it's a good practice to create one's own functions regardless of being sort of redundant. So, last time we have made the game of life here in Matlab, and it was often difficult to see all the various shapes the simple rules implemented within the algorithm provided us with. And as we can see, some of the pixels are hard to see individually. And that is the reason why we would need to enlarge them in order to see them better, even if it comes at the price of effectively shrinking the size of the grid available. Today I will only explain the relatively short code itself. You'll see that you can easily make one of your own. The function itself returns the enlarged map, taking the original two-dimensional map and the zoom-in multiplier as input variables. Within it, a new map is initialized, its size based on the size of the original map and the zoom-in multiplier. In order to properly transfer the information from the original map to its enlarged version, we would need to search through the original map's axes, both x and y. The one tricky thing here might be the algorithm ensuring that the data are properly transferred from one map to another. However, once the correct positioning of the large pixel is applied, effectively being a square, the new large map will successfully copy the original map's data. Let's see how our new map looks like. So, in order to use our new enlarged map, we would need to implement it as such. First, we will take the function that will give us the new map, and what we will want to see is the new map itself. However, we will need to define the zoom-in multiplier just before the axis. Let's say will be enhanced five times. However, we will need to also reduce the grid by such amount. And once we run this, we can see that despite our grid is smaller, we can see the picture elements on a much larger scale, so it's better to see them. And this would conclude today's video. It's a short one, but hopefully it's useful nevertheless. I do hope to see you another time. Take care, and let me know if you have tried anything from what we have done around so far.